Clearliving CL99 Advanced point-of-use water filter is easy to install with accessories provided. Let us show you how easy it is to install this.
The CL99P is suitable for drinking purpose. The accessories provided are filter body with cartridge, water tubing, feed water valve, hose to tube converter, wrenches, screws, white tape, cutter, fitting, and blue clips. Measure and cut the tubing to desired length. Connect the tubing into the adapter. Next, turn off your water supply and remove the flexi hose and connect the adapter. Make sure that the O-ring is securely loaded. Connect the flexi hose onto the adapter and the valve installation is complete. Apply white tape to the converter, if necessary, and place it to supply and filtered. Connect the tube to the fitting and lock with blue clip. Connect the filtered tube to a drinking faucet, water dispenser, and other applications. Turn on the water supply and check if there is any leakage. Apply white tape if necessary. Flush it for 10 minutes before use and you can enjoy clean drinking water. Replacing the cartridge is simple and efficient. Just twist the housing anti-clockwise. Use the wrench to unscrew the housing body and take out the old cartridge and replace it with a new one. Reassemble back the filter. Flush for 5 to 10 minutes before start using it. Do note to keep the wrench provided to you in our accessory kit at a safe place.